Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking to make your stream look and run better? Here's how you do it. First thing you're going to want to do is come over to StreamerBot.com. Go ahead and give this a download. I already have it downloaded. It's going to look a little something like this. It's very simple to set up, but I'm going to walk you through it. So first, what you're going to want to do is come over to platforms. And you're going to see right here, this is going to be your Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, whatever you stream on. Then what you're going to want to do is go over to accounts. You're going to log in to your Twitch account, and you can also log into a bot account. So if you want your messages coming through a bot account instead of your main account, so it'll be typing in chat under that username instead of yours. If you want it to do that instead, just go ahead and make a new account. If you already have one, sign in with that account. And then once you do that, everything will be basically set up. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and show you guys how to get started. All right, so right here you can see I am signed in already. So now what you can do to get started, let's go ahead and just set up a simple command or a simple action. So first thing, you're going to want to go ahead and right click over in this actions area. You'll see a button called add. Just go ahead and press that. What we're going to do first is we're going to make a Discord timer. So whenever every 5 minutes or so, it'll go ahead and promote your Discord server in your chat for you. So I'm just going to name it Discord timer, and we're going to name the group timed actions. So this is just so you can have multiple different things in that group and have them all running. You just have it all sorted how you like it, so that it's not just cluttered, because after a while you will have a lot of things added in this and it will look pretty crazy. So we got that all set up. And so you're going to want to click on that, come over to triggers over on the right side right here. Now you're going to go core, timed actions, and we're going to create a timer. So we're just going to name this Discord, or actually no, we're going to name this 5-minute timer. So then this thing works in seconds. So you're going to want to go and get 5 minutes, but in seconds. So 5 minutes in seconds is 300 seconds. And if you want it so a certain amount of lines have to be said, so this is how many chat messages have to be said in order for this to actually go off every 5 minutes, because you don't want your chat just flooded with only your Discord promo. If someone new comes in the chat and they see that, they're going to know your chat's dead. They might not want to talk to you. So we're just going to go ahead, set that to 5 lines. I think that's a fairly good number, especially if you're a newer streamer. So you're going to just press OK. Now you have a 5-minute timer set up. So every 5 minutes, it's going to go and do this sub action. We're going to set that up right now. So just go ahead and right click under sub actions. I'm streaming on Twitch, so we're going to go ahead and get Twitch set up right here. You're going to want to come down to chat, send message to chat, and you're going to go and just type out whatever message you want it to send. So, hey, make sure you join my Discord, and then you can go ahead and paste the link. Mine just discord.gg/airhead022. So, I don't have my bot account set up for this, so we're just gonna go ahead and uncheck this. But if you have your bot account linked up, you're gonna want to send it using the bot account. So just go ahead and press OK, and now if we pull up the chat, we can go ahead and test the trigger. We test the trigger, now you can see it is activating and it is sending under my account right here. So that's how you get it set up really easily. We can just kind of do this here too if you want to see it running at the same time. So that's very easy. Now that'll run every 5 minutes, and yeah, very easy to set up. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and instead of setting up a timer this time, we're gonna go ahead and set up a command. So we're gonna go and set up a new action and a new group. So we're just gonna name this one commands and just press OK. Now that we're set on that one, you can see there's 2 new groups over here. So we got our timed actions and our commands. We're going to go ahead and type on the Discord commands. You're going to want to come over to triggers now, right click, go to core, and go to commands, and you're going to want to select command triggered. So now you can just go ahead and create new, and then we're going to name this one Discord, and the command is going to be !Discord. Now you can also press enter and then type in a couple different commands if you want. So you could do !Cord, !Disk, whatever you want. Now what we're going to do is you can go ahead and put a cooldown on it if you'd like. And right here you'll see available versus allowed. When everything is in available, that means that anyone is able to do that command. If you have it in moderators in allowed, that means only moderators are able to type that command. Now I want everyone to be able to do that command, so we're just going to leave it as is and press OK, create new command, and there we go. Now we have the trigger as the command sub action. We're going to want to go down to Twitch, chat, and send message to channel. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste the message that we had for the timer, so it all looks the same. So we're going to want to come back, go to Twitch chat, send message, and boom, there we go. We got the same message set up. So if we bring the chat back over, if we type !Discord, there we go. Now it types in, make sure you join my Discord. You can also go ahead and put in your emotes if you'd like. So it's very simple. All you got to do is type in whatever your emote name is. Yeah, so it is cap sensitive. So just make sure when you do it that you have the correct caps on. So there we go. Now it is typing the emotes. Now if you want it to do the emotes and you are using a bot account, make sure that your bot account has a sub, or that the emotes that you're having it use are the follower emotes. If they're sub emotes, the bot won't be able to use it unless it is subbed. So now that's the basics right there. But if you want to get a little bit more advanced with it, but you're not quite sure how, there is a website that you can use. It is the StreamerBot extensions website. So right here is the StreamerBot extensions website. Basically, there's a bunch of people that go and they can add their own in here. There are approved and unapproved extensions. All right, so on StreamerBot extensions, you can see a bunch of these different extensions that people have set up. So you can get a bunch of different ones. Honestly, you could just go through and pick which one you want. So there's on-screen voting, there's timed messages, except I just showed you how to do that. This is just a different way to do it. You can set up a play with viewers queue so people can join the queue. If you play a lot of community games but you're finding yourself getting too many people sometimes, you could set this up so people have to join the queue in order to play. Now this is one I use on my own. This is a latest YouTube video plugin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download this real quick so I could show you guys. You're gonna want to come over to StreamerBot, press import, and you'll see the import stream box right here. You just want to go ahead and drag that file over and drop it in this box. Now it is warning me that this became unstable. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyways. But right here you can see it just added a new timed action right here, so you could switch that over to your timed actions if you'd like, which I am actually going to do just to clean everything up. Now we got that in our timed actions. So what it's going to do is it's on a timer and it'll fetch a URL, which you're just going to want to go ahead and put your ID. So you'll see your channel ID. You're going to want to go ahead and enter that in. And then when you click on triggers, just go ahead and right click it. You'll see test trigger, and that'll bring up the overlay for you. Or it'll send, and that'll go ahead and send the alert to your chat for you without having to wait for the whole timed action. So we click that, we can see right here, it links me to my latest YouTube video, which is a YouTube short, and it gives you the link, and it's as simple as that. Right here we got the link, it works, and you guys could set that up for yourselves. It's very simple. Now, one of them that I use a lot, and honestly I highly suggest you use for yourself if you're using Spotify for your music on stream, just go ahead and look up Spotify, and it'll pull up a couple different ones. I use Spotify integration Spot to SB. So right here, it makes it really simple for you. Just go ahead and download this, and same thing. You're just gonna go to StreamerBot, press import, and you're gonna want to drag this import code in. This is gonna this is gonna have a lot of different things for you now. So there's a lot of customizing that goes with this, but you're gonna want to go ahead and enable these. So you're gonna want to go over to your commands and right click on the group, go to group and enable all, and you'll do that again down here for the non-restricted commands. So with this, they automatically set up mod commands and non-restricted commands. So the mod commands, only mods are able to do. So if you want your mods to exclude certain songs from being song requested, add certain songs to a playlist, like the songs, skip to the next song, there's a bunch of different things. Or if you're in a ranked match, you can go ahead and have your mods pause your music for you or change the volume. There's a lot of different things that your mods can do for you. It's really nice. Now you can also, for the non-restricted, you can have your chat go ahead and get the link for the song. So if they want to add it to their own playlist, they could do that. Or if they just want the name of the song or just whatever information from the song, they have that. They can see the queue, or they can song request. So I personally like having my song request set up to subscribers only. Kind of gives subs an extra perk for spending the $6 a month to subscribe. I don't feel that emotes and ad-free viewing is enough, so I like to give them song requests as well. They can control my music on stream. So you'll want to come back over to actions now, and you'll see Spot to SB configuration. You're going to want to click that, go over to the right click on the trigger and test trigger. It's going to pop up another menu right here. So this is just how you connect your Spotify now. So you'll want to get your client ID, your client secret, and then you'll end up seeing your profile picture pop up right here, and you'll just press connect. Alright, so with that all set up, you can go ahead and select your device that you want it to play from. You can select a playlist where you save songs to. And there's a bunch of different other things. So if you want, when you play a new song, if you want it to type that song name in chat, you can go ahead and enable that. Play and pause emojis on events. So if you pause a song, it'll go ahead and put a pause icon in chat so everyone knows you paused the music. I have that off. Show requester's name. You can have it crossfade. You can have it automatically launch Spotify when you turn on your computer. And you can save requested songs to a requested songs playlist. It goes ahead and creates a new playlist for that for you. You can also go ahead and download or add a overlay if you like. So I don't have those on. It's just too much on the screen for me. But if you want chat to know what song you're listening to without having to type the command, it's just a very nice, simple way to have it on your screen. You will need to have plugins on your OBS for that. Very simple to set up, and it gives you the plugins that you'll need right here. So you need source copy, shade filter, wind capture, audio, and waveform. All right, and then you can have it type in different messages for different events. So opening message for a displayed song, edit text to show who requested a song, a message return if song request failed, and message if song request was just added, or if song was just added. So you can go ahead and tweak these however you like. They don't really matter too much, to be honest, but now your Spotify is set up. So now chat can go ahead and song request songs. So if I wanted to song request a song, let's go ahead and just song request a song. So we're gonna go right here, and then you can put a dash just so sometimes it gets the songs mixed up. There you go. And as you can see right here, it added Dixon Dallas Good Looking to the song queue. So by the way, the chat message is coming through my other bot. So I have the bot that I'm showing you guys on right now, and I have the bot that I use for my streams. That's why you see Chat Mommy. So now that was added to the queue, and you come over to Spotify, and you can see it is next in queue right here. So I'm just going to clear that. I am not listening to that right now, but that is a very simple, easy walkthrough of StreamerBot. If you guys have any other, if you guys have anything else that you need help with your streams or YouTube, whatever, let me know. I am going to be trying to post more videos for you guys, helping you out, and just kind of showing you what I do. I have a lot set up on StreamerBot, and it's going to be way too much to show you guys all in one video. Here's a little sneak peek at it. There is a bunch. I have 11 different chat actions right here. I got gambling all set up. I have a bunch. So it's going to be too much to show you guys right now, but I will show you guys more. I will create another video. If you guys have any ideas of things that you want to see specifically, go ahead, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up on the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Got nothing better to do.